Under the function description is a text description of what the function does. In this case, it tells us that the printr function will print information about a variable in a way that is readable to us. We are also given an example below on how to use that function. There is a lot of information on some functions, but beware, as for other functions, there can be very little or no information at all. A little further down, we notice that there are user-contributed notes. These can be very useful, but a word of caution. Some of the information in these notes is out of date or just plain wrong. Take what is posted here with a grain of salt, and always double-check the work before using the information for your own purposes. I have found some gems in these notes, but I've found some real dogs as well, so use posted functions in the user-contributed area with great caution. Back up to the search line. If you search for a function name, PHP.net is smart enough to realize that you want the actual function and take you directly to it. For instance, if I were to search for MySQL Connect, you can see that it takes me directly to that function listing. However, if I search just for MySQL, PHP.net recognizes that this is a chapter in the documentation and will take you directly to that chapter. The chapter section is a little bit different from the function listing, as you can see. The first part is information about the section, or the introduction. The second part is the requirements in order to make these functions available, in this case the MySQL functions. Directly under that are installation notes and runtime configuration, as well as a plethora of other information. Right now, you do not need to know or understand what this information means. In fact, it is unlikely you will ever need to know this information. This stuff is more for administrators and is more likely to be used at the point of compiling and installing PHP, so we're not going to focus on this at the moment.